First things first, ignore this. Lost all my footage from the weekend. I downloaded approximately 6 data recovery systems and none of them worked for the corrupt files. So anyway, I'll show you what I got from the art market. Do you know how annoying it is trying to cook when there's currently an explosive diarrhea outbreak in your state? Hi, mister. I love you.
Oh, back stretch. I want to do yoga.
My current favorite evening activity is playing my own version of bananagrams, which is just I grab a fistful of the tiles, I start building my bananagrams, and when I run out of tiles, I'm allowed to grab another fistful. It's as simple as that. This is how he sits every single night, by the way. The lighting's atrocious, but this is my mister. Still doing bananagrams. I'd be mistaken if I didn't show my neck accessory, so. I just literally write them in. Oh, twirl, twirl. It looks so good. We currently have the worst air quality in the world. Like, it's not funny, but of course that would happen to us, right? Right. I mean, you're not even gonna be able to see, but it's just rancid.
Turn around really quick.
111th Street.
Give it to me. You should do a whole.
Tiny little notebook.
Wow.
And a sexy fountain pen.
Yum. Delicious.
Yeah. The besties are reunited.
Oh yeah. Weekend in the city. Oh yeah. Can't wait to get some guac.
And a margarita. What do you gotta say?
Oh, sweet baby.
Oh my god, yeah. Wait and tackle.
I'm dead.
Incredible. Oh my god. I've been to 2 of these.
I haven't been. I have one of those.
It's so much fun.
My father worked his whole life for.
Chandler, what do you think?
Get that now, get it.
Oh yeah.
I said I was born to be a dancer. But I was born with friends.
Under my umbrella.
Going to the bar. Going to the bar.
Let's take a selfie. Boat.
Huh?
Boat.
Boat. Oh, fuck, boat. Matt, what do you have to say about the Odyssey?
I love Oppenheimer Part 2.
It was not Oppenheimer.
Oh, men never learn.
It was original, okay?
It was original. Percy Jackson did it first.
Dumpling. Chicken. And a noodle. I think I'm not allowed to do this. Do what? It in? If they're both words, yeah. I was like, this just don't happen.
pros like me.
It's my last day in New York. I'm going to the airport soon and I'm so sad about it. I love it here.
Boy.
Just listening to the same thing, right? If you hear
Like it's you. It really does. That kind of scares me.
Sorry, wait.
Next time your mom comes up to pick you up in the house, I'm gonna come out with that hat on. You hillbilly Bob.
Still for once in your life.
Oh my God! With the tail. That makes you look like Steve.
Oh God. I'll wear it to the marathon thing uptown. The two from inside that were already into that were bad. The old shotgun shell and then the push mat. He wouldn't even put 3 receptacles in for me. He goes, "Where's your mail?"
Yeah.
That was so cute.
That is so cute. Say hi. At the beach. Yay. Not that I'm against picking wedgies, but I wasn't. Say hi, Linda.
Or just stay in the SD card, or can you transfer it to something?
Good job. Okay.
Your video camera's just gonna be a bunch of videos.
Still. Look at it. It's so nice out.
Cassidy just scared the enchilada.
Gorgeous.
Come here.
There she goes.
Get him.
No, do not rile her up.
See in there. Creates a pocket. Quick, so I go sit out on the edge of those.
Yeah.
And just kind of sink myself down.
Your
It's all
feet come
nice
to land.
sand bottom. You know, and end up going back.
It's the moon. I can get it on camera.
Grab her by the collar and pull her out because she won't go down.
Here she comes.
There we go.
I think I can handle that, she said.
Got it. Cassidy.
I'm knitting the Audrey top by Petite Knit, a 100% cotton magenta yarn. You're zooming in on me weird.
I'm knitting a baby blanket for Stelly that I've been working on for about a year. Teresa taught me how to knit, and that's why this part's really bad. And then look how much better it's got. Great teacher.
Dad always goes, knit one, purl two. One, purl two. This one's just knit.
I don't knit.
Should be doing stuff on the computer. This is an act of resistance from the downfall of our nation.
Comment down below if you know if Mitch McConnell's dead yet.
To look back on what's historical things. Oh, poop lettuce right now.
Documented twice where I've been like, by the way, explosive diarrhea is still happening.
Yeah.
Donald Trump won't just stop. Fucking retrograde. If you had a cooking show, what would it be called?
Don't get too pumped. Did go as Guy Fieri.
Did you?
I had the best Guy Fieri.
Wait, that's amazing.
I love this.
I would deeply recommend disconnecting the fan.
We feel this way, my girl, my girl. Yay!
Oh, look at the swan. This way, though.
Woo!
Here it comes.
Beetlejuice.
Literally just leap into my canoe. I would get trampled.
Oh, they're running.
Watch your plate.
Me too.
Sleepy Roo. Sleepy girl.
The robin
in the same spot every year. Every
Yeah.
year. We just leave them until they're done, and then we.
She knitting it up.
Yeah.
Show the shirts. Bissonette bro. Fuck yeah. This is the face of a man that ran a 5K. Cheers! Court, you got the OG one on. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Is it Canada again?
That word. I just kind of want to.
Oh, look at the family.